Union Bank of India. So they have shared subject ruling dated 25th of June 2025 of the Honorable Kerala High Court in writ petition number this. So writ petition number का भी पूरा यहाँ पे so this is the official writ petition number friends you can see here. So इसी को यहाँ पे समराइज करने की पहले कोशिश करेंगे. So इसमें जो इम्पोर्टेंट है, the court on the same day deliver the following. So this is the deliver statement of the court. So बहरहाल यहाँ पे देखते हैं जो मैसेज है. So I am attaching a copy of captioned order directing me to file an appropriate representation to the bank with relevant facts and figures within a period of 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of the judgment for updating my pension as provided in the pension regulations of the bank, to pass an order on it within 8 weeks as specified by the court. The competent officer under the second respondent has been asked to consider the representations and pass the order after granting the petitioner an opportunity of being heard within a further period of 8 weeks. So, in connection with this, I humbly submit that if the bank chooses to hear me, the hearing may kindly be arranged at Kochi at its regional office, Ernakulam, in view of my advanced age and bad health conditions, or else the following matter may be taken as my. So, as per the paragraph 3 of the judgment, the counsel of the bank has submitted before the court that the matter in this writ petition had not been placed on record before the second respondent, citing it as the reason for not granting the updation of pension, or else the bank should have updated my pension. So, Regulation 35(1) of Pension Regulation, as amended in the year 2003, expressly provide that basic pension and additional pension, wherever applicable, shall be updated as per the formulae given in Appendix 1. तो वो तो हमें पता है. The pre-amended regulation with the provision that is in respect of employee who retired between the 1st day of January 1986 but before the 31st day of October 1987, basic pension and additional pension will be updated as per the formulae given in Appendix 1, have set the time frame of retirement of employee for the purpose of updating, so making the updating applicable to employee retiring anytime, and amended provision cited in para 2 supra having given emphasis to the updating by importing the phrase wherever applicable and also by substituting the word will be updated with the word shall be updated, so there is no ambiguity that pension shall be updated synchronizing with the revision in pay scales arising out of the BPS settlement concluded from time to time. So, had updating of pension not been intended under the Pension Regulation 1995, the word updating would not have found a place in the initial provision of Regulation 35(1), and provision would not have been amended in the year 2003 as shown in para 2 above. So, the XP11 settlement dated 29th of October 1993 is the precursor to pension regulation, and clause 6 of it agrees that dearness relief to pensioners will be granted at such rates as may be determined from time to time in line with the dearness allowance formula in operation with the RBI. So RBI के accordingly यहाँ पे काम होगा दोस्तों. So provision will be made by scheme to be negotiated and settled between the parties to this settlement by 31st December 1993 for applicability, qualifying service, amount of pension, payment of pension, commutation of pension, family pension, updating and other general conditions on the lines as are in force in Reserve Bank of India. So as such there is no ambiguity that the bank has to the pension as was done in Reserve Bank of India. So the government too has no scintilla of doubt that if pension in the Reserve Bank of India is updated, so pension in other bank has also to be updated. सो अगर आरबीआई में यहाँ पे अपडेट हो रही है तो अदर बैंक जो कि नेशनलाइज्ड हैं सो उनमें भी यहाँ पे पेंशन को अपडेट करना चाहिए. So in the RBI, as per the extension P12 letter dated 26 Feb 2018 of the Department of Financial Services, Government of India. So the government has updated the pension in RBI from 1st March 2019 by various factors depending on the date of retirement. So making it imperative that the pension in nationalized banks has also to be updated from 1st March 2019 and arrears shall be paid with interest on accrual basis. So the government has sanctioned position with retrospective effects from 1st November 1993 in the regional rural banks on the basis of the settlement dated. So friends, यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें जो रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में पेंशन है वो टाइमली अपडेट हो रही है एज वेल एज फॉर द, अगर आप आरआरबीस में भी देखें वो भी यहाँ पे पेंशन अपडेट हो चुकी है फ्रॉम 3rd October 2025. So which make it conclusive that settlement is very much focused in force and that the government banks are to update the pension as per the Reserve Bank of India. So the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court on 1st July 2015 in Civil Appeal number 1123 of State 2015 State of Rajasthan versus Mahendranath Sharma, which is applicable to whole country, lays down that pension shall not be less than 50% of the running pay band. So ये यहाँ पे important है. Corresponding to the pre-revised scales of pay. So bank cannot plead ignorance of law and refrain for updating of pension. So the non-revision of pension is in gross defiance of the rule laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So I request you to early pass on order with due cognizance to my aforesaid submissions. So दोस्तों ये है Honorable Court का जो सीज़न आप देखें. सो यहाँ पे वीडियो को पॉज करके इसको स्टडी कर लेना दोस्तों. सो we have so this is the copy here. You can see here in the Honorable Court of Kerala at Ernakulam. So you can pause and see, and we have already shared many other things, but this is the official copy. So please make sure to share this update and subscribe to the channel, friends. So this is something really very big here.